Hello, my name is Daniel. This time I would like to show you how I keep my fountain pens in good shape. I like to use ink that's waterproof, and there's many people complaining about their clogged up fountain pens using waterproof ink plus fountain pens. And I have some tricks that will help you preventing those problems. Let's have a look.
First of all, I need some tray or something. I put in some fluid and the fountain pens. It should be the right size. So what I like to do is being able to have the pen inside with the converter on, and in that way, so I can remove it easily. Yeah, it should not be too large. If it's too large, then it's too tough to get out the fountain pen. Yeah, this one would also do a good job. I can still grab in, take the fountain pen out. Well, that's fine. For a journey, this would be too large, so I have my favorite size here. It's smaller. It is maybe 5-6 centimeters, or the width of the hand, and so I put some water in here. I can also put some, how do you say, cleaning detergent, I think it is, to do the dishes. I put this in here. And so this way I work when I have water-soluble ink. I have put some detergent inside, and I put the ink back in the ink bottle. And when the converter is empty, I fill up the fluid inside with the detergent, dishwashing detergent, soap, and then just let it rest for a while, overnight. And in case you have waterproof ink, I use the same style, but I add a special cleaner. This one is from the Super 5 company, and a cleaner easy or similar to the ink pens for technical drawings we used to have in the 80s. And so that's the same style. I put this in. I do the same way. After the converter is empty, I try to fill the water with the detergent, also with the cleaner, up the converter, and I just let it rest overnight. I do all my pens this way when I'm on a journey in a hotel. After 2, 3, 4 days, when I have the feeling the pens will start kind of clogging, then I do this, and it works fairly nice. Yeah, and when I'm done, I put back the cleaner, the fluid, in this little bottle, and then I rinse it in water, and then it's fine. I try to avoid the skin contact with this cleaner, and also I can use this many times. So I close it. I recycle this cleaning detergent, and use it all over again and again and again. So in a hotel, this is a nice way. And there's another way I would also like to join with you. I would like to share with you. My English is a bit rusty right now, but I hope you understand what I mean. Those are those, how you say, ultrasonic machines you use to clean your glasses, and those cost maybe 20-30 euros, maybe 40 at the most. You put in water. You could also put in some soap, and or if the pens are really clogged, you put in the cleaner, and then you empty your fountain pens. Make sure to put the color back, and I take those apart, the converter and the pen, and I take the color, the water in the converter, and I just put them in here like I showed you. So this works really nice as well, although it has one disadvantage. One thing is when you're done, you probably take away this, the water. So you can't recycle it like I have it here. I can use it all over again and again and again. And the other problem is that sometimes, depending what kind of fountain pens you have, sometimes the color coding goes off. You see it here a bit. I show you. So I have a color coding on the fountain pen. And it seems to go off if you frequently use this ultrasonic sound system. So I prefer this way with the cleaning detergent. It doesn't take much place. I take it along when I'm on my journeys. I leave it in the hotel room, and after a couple of days I use it again. Yeah, and I need this cleaner only if I have really clogged up pens. Also, I could try normal water with maybe a bit of soap for hand washing the dishes. And the other way would be here, this machine, which would be too big for a journey. Well, I hope you will have no or less problems with clogged up fountain pens in the future. For me, it works fine. Usually I go along with maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 filled up, ready to use fountain pens. And because I don't want to be in the museum and put in new ink, it's a bit risky. So I have a couple of pens in my pocket, and when one is empty, I take another one, and so on. And then if they're all empty, I could take maybe a little break and fill them all up while I drink some tea or coffee. And I also prefer pens not too expensive. Sometimes they fall down. I would be very unhappy if I would have a really, really expensive pen. So the ones I use usually are like 20 euros priced. And I could accept that when I lose one, rather than having a very, very expensive one. Yeah, I wish you lots of fun sketching in the future, and try it out. And you're welcome to share your experiences cleaning your fountain pens. Thank you.